In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS5 overheating and shutting off. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this actually happens because both the PS5 and the PS5 Pro have a built-in safety feature. If the console gets too hot, it will automatically shut off to protect the hardware. The first thing I would recommend doing in order to make sure that this doesn't happen is change where you have your console placed. Poor airflow is the most common cause of it overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not on the carpet. Make sure it's not inside a closed cabinet. Make sure there's at least 4 inches of space on all sides and make sure nothing is blocking the vents. If your PS5 is on the floor, move it onto a desk or a shelf. Now, if you're using the PS5 vertically, try placing it horizontally instead. This can also help with airflow and internal heat distribution. And on top of that, what you can do is go into your settings on your PS5 up at the very top. And if you scroll down, you'll see an option for saved game data and app settings. Go ahead and open that up, and from here go into your game presets and just go ahead and find the performance mode or resolution mode, select it and change it to performance mode rather than resolution mode. This is going to reduce the strain on the system and it's going to help prevent overheating. Fix these and your PS5 should stop shutting off. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.